everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this bronze smoky eye makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Starting out, I'm picking up this Napoleon Perdis eyeshadow in the shade Tawny Temptress, and I'm just going to be blending that into my crease and outer third of my eye, using my business card as a guide to create a really sharp winged shape. And I'm just blending that in with my Sephora airbrush crease brush. Next up, I'm taking my Too Faced glitter glue and I'm just going to be placing that onto my eyelid where I'm going to be placing the pigment. This will help the pigment to really pop and reduce the amount of fallout. Now I'm just going to be taking the MAC pigment in the shade Tan and I'm going to be packing that onto my eyelid over the top of where I placed the glitter glue. Now taking the shade Oud from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, I'm going to be deepening up the outer third and crease. And I'm just using a MAC 217 brush to blend this all together. Now taking the MAC eyeshadow in the shade Dance in the Dark, I'm going to be darkening the outer third even further. This will just help to make the look a little more dramatic. To balance out the eyes, I'm just going back in with that first shade Tawny Temptress and blending that underneath the lower lash line. And going back into the shade Oud and just darkening that up a little bit. To line the eyes, I'm going in with Maybelline's Masterprecise liquid liner and just placing that on the upper lash line and creating a very, very slight wing. So now I'm popping on some Model Rock lashes in the style 266 and applying a coat of the Loreal Telescopic Mascara to make sure that my natural lashes blend in with the fake lashes. To finish off the eyes, I'm going back into that MAC Tan pigment and applying that to the inner corner of the eye. To finish off the look, I'm applying the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Exposed. I think this is such a perfect nude and it complements most skin tones, and I just thought it was perfect with the colours that I've used for the eye makeup. So this is the finished makeup look. This looks perfect for a night out and it suits almost every skin tone and eye colour. If you like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment and I'll see you all in my next video.